Hello everyone. Today's Tech Tuesday topic is nothing less than a fabulous combination of technological, mechanical, architectural and design marvel. It is a Breitling 1884 Chronometre Certifie, the watch. Yes, it is. The official website of Breitling watches says this is a monster of performance, Swiss-made instrument for professionals since 1884. Trust me, this is a heart stealer. The features are wide and large, of course, considering the long history of Breitling watches. But the one feature that swept us off our feet when we were researching about these watches back in 2007 is the dual-channel emergency satellite transmitter. Yes, you heard it right. You just twist and yank the lower crown of the watch and an emergency rescue team rescues you from any terrain or remote places of the world. The dial of this watch is pretty heavy. It weighs around 109 grams without the strap. We purchased this in the year 2007 and the packing and other accessories looks like this. This is more than an accessory or a watch, but a very functional apparatus for professionals. This was the case in which we purchased it, and I opened it just now for this video and I realized that it's getting rusted. Yes, this is how it looks now. So this is the little story of our Breitling watch. Now the second tool of our Tech Tuesday discussion is a watch winder. Keeping our timepieces on a winder wound and running will keep the oils within the moment dispersed properly, which is good for the longevity of our automatic watches and their movements. This helps the watch running and preventing the oils from settling. The watches are kept in the cushions provided and place them in the slots which are controlled by these knobs shown behind the boxes. These knobs control the speed and the movement of the watch winder. You plug it to electricity and then it keeps going. We had purchased another 6-watch holder winder and a dual watch winder along with this, but both of them stopped working shortly after. So personally, I cannot vouch for the longevity of watch winders. I hope this information are helpful for all of you and thank you for your time. Bye-bye.